Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. I have something new that we have just brought in, and it is, you've seen a video of it, or if not, we have it linked below. This is our Color Splash Ultra. You walk over here, this is our screen print. Okay, you can see how pretty this is. Okay. Right here it says it's $6. Well, Miss Susie has changed the price to $5 on this size. That's $5 on this size. And you can turn around and get a custom print in this size. You would have to email us. I will drop a link in the description below for the info at Creative Design. You will need a transparent PNG file, so it will look like this one where it's clear in the back and you just have your image. Alright, so we are going to compare our Color Splash Ultra to our ready to transfer screen prints. Okay, I'm going to put them on the same shirt. We're going to see, do my stretch test and all that. So first off though, since I have the heat up to 320 for this one, I'm going to press this one on the bottom, and then I'm going to drop the temperature down and I will go for the other one. So let me pre-press this whole shirt real quick so that way we will. Go ahead and do it one more time, because I'm going to put this one down on the bottom. Alright, now let me just gauge where I'm going to put this one right here. Okay, so now this one is going to be for 320. This one's actually a smaller one, so I can't move it up. Alright. This transfer is 320. For 15 seconds, and this one is a cold peel. Alright. And this one you would repress. We're going to let this one cool off. I'm going to start to drop my temperature down in just a moment. So that way we'll go ahead and repress this one like it's supposed to be. And we're letting the glue, this one is a cold peel. Right, so the warmth is out of that one. Now let me put this one back on and repress it. Alright. Set that right there. I'm going to drop my temperature down because this one is at 285. So while I'm waiting for this to cool, I just wanted to talk to you about my shirt that I have on. If you haven't watched, this is our Subflex. This material is made to be sublimated on. It's super soft. You can even cut it and use it without sublimation. I used our oil slick pattern on it so you can kind of see. Super, super soft. If you want to go back and look at that one, you can look at one of the videos down there. It's called Subflex. Like I said, it's made to be sublimated on. I also have the little ghost that I've done. That is one of the videos. So go and check that one out. And let me see. Oh, we are ready. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. This shirt will be in the store for you to take a look at. Right. And because of this collar, I'm going to go ahead and use a pressing pillow. Because when you have this collar here and you go to press anything with it, it's only going to go as low. It's like a speed bump. It's only going to go this low to where your vinyl and everything is here. So if you put a pressing pillow on, it raises it up. So that way. Maybe not. Alright, and as most or as screen prints go, they are a cool or cold peel. So I'm going to let this one get cold now. I will not repress this one. Press it once, 285, 15 seconds. That's it. Turn this one off. Alright, so it's very cool. Let me go over here so that way. Alright. Oh, super soft. So let me scoot it up just a little bit. Here, I'm going to split it. So you see how colorful? So the color splash is brighter and vibrant. Even look in the flowers. And you can see this one was a little bit bigger than this one, so it's not going to, but you get the idea of it. Alright guys, if this helps and watch our videos and you may hear me give out another code or a coupon code or something, a quick sale in one of our videos. I dropped one in a few, so you'll just have to go back and check. Alright, well, okay, sorry about that. When I put everything up, I realized that I did not give you the stretch test like I was talking about. So let me get over here closer. Okay, so this one is the, let me see if I can tilt you down just a little bit more. Okay, so you see focus on one for you. Okay. Alright, now let me move up here to this one. Love this one. This one's soft, but, okay, when I stretch that, you can look at this part of this pattern. Okay, over time, this one, okay, well, that one's, you're not going to be able to see. You see the white coming through? Okay, let me do it on this one. No white. Alright. Just thought I would put that in there.